Hello everyone, happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. So today is 2nd October and as you all know that this day marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is one of the greatest human ever born in India. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He has been given the title of Father of the Nation as he took up the path of non-violence to fulfill his goals. An international organization like United Nations General Assembly has marked his birth anniversary as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhiji's life has been an inspiration to many because of the life he led. He was born in Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. The legacy which Gandhiji has left behind still impacts the people living in modern times. His relentlessness and hard work to achieve Swaraj are truly commendable. Not only that, but Gandhiji also worked to get rid of other social evils to make India an exclusive country. He worked tirelessly to remove the system of untouchability which was very prevalent back then. Moreover, he also empowered women and worked to enhance the economic condition of Indian farmers in addition to much more. He also played a pivotal role in 3 major movements. The movements were the Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March, and the Quit India Movement. He is one of the most important figures to help India to get freedom from British rule. Nothing trampled Gandhiji's spirit even though he was imprisoned and discriminated against badly by the Britishers. Even though his body was frail, his ambitions were stronger. He surprised everyone with his undying determination by walking 440 kilometers on foot to defy the salt tax. So, these are just some of the contributions of the man to Indian history. He always lived in simplicity throughout his life. One of his quotes, which is very famous and had touched our hearts, is simple living and high thinking. No one can deny that he was a real superhero and he will remain forever in our hearts. So now I would like to conclude my speech here. Hope you all like it. Thank you for watching.